What's up, Classic Car World? It's Craig from CraigerCoClassic, representing for F100 World. I'm out here at Carthage, Missouri at the Maple Leaf, and I'm next to Zach here. He brought this beautiful 19 what?
54.
It's a beautiful truck. What color is this yellow?
It's called Lemon Ice. Lemon Ice yellow.
Because it's like, it's not a neon, but then it's also not, you know, like, I don't know, a normal base yellow.
Yeah,
I think it's freaking beautiful.
Yeah, it just kind of, it stands out, I guess. That's what I like about it.
It took you a while to get this truck, dude. What's the story about it?
So about 13 years ago, I found a guy that I work with. His brother was selling this truck, and it was all black, had a flat bed. I was like, man, I really want the truck, but I couldn't come up with the money.
Yeah.
So then we had a guy at work that bought the truck about 6 years later.
Is he the one that painted it this color?
Yeah, he painted it and tore it all apart, started fixing it up, and he's like, hey, I was like, man, I love that truck. Is there any way I can buy it? He's like, no, I'll never sell it. So then about 2 years ago, he's like, I'm ready to sell it. I said, well, I don't have the money. So,
You never do,
yeah. And
I think that's freaking awesome because it's amazing how when you see what you want, you never forget it.
Yep.
So you ended up, like, what did you have to do to scrounge up to get it?
So yeah, I got a couple of loans and made it happen, and paid a lot of money for it, but I love it. I've had it 2 years.
Shout out to your wife who supports you on getting loans to get a classic truck. That's really awesome.
My wife, she said it was okay, I think.
She's cursing him right now. But
Yeah.
I love this wood flooring right here, dude. That's probably one, besides the color, my favorite part right here for sure. You've never set anything in here, but is that an inconvenience or do you love it?
No, I love it. Yeah, I always get compliments about, man, I really like the wood in there.
Thanks for bringing it out on a rainy day.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. We're parked on grass right now. It's just no bueno. What engine do you? I noticed the hood folds for you. I really like that. What engine do you have?
I got a 351 Windsor. So, yep, nothing special, but
Nothing special?
just a 351 Windsor.
Like an 80?
I think it's out of a 70s Model 4 F-150.
Nice. I love all the chromes. Like, you even have like a chrome fan.
Yeah, that was my thing. I was like, I changed everything out with the electric fan on there, the chrome, radiator, and started putting chrome on everything that I could. I'm a chrome guy, so.
He's out here cleaning every time it sprinkles.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, I think this is really a solid truck, and I know you didn't build it, but you can definitely tell it's yours, and you probably added some touches to it and everything. What is it that is special to this truck to you? Anything stand out?
The color is the most important thing for me. I know everybody's like, man, why don't you pick a yellow colored truck? I was like, well, when you come to a show, you always want to find the colors that are like really bright, right? Like, they stick out, so you always want to attack those cars. Like, hey, I want to do that. Yeah. Everybody's like, man, I saw your yellow truck.
I can't think of another yellow Indian truck, honestly, that's like in this area. So it's the only one. Yeah. Well, that's really cool, man, and it sounds good driving by. And hey, can we do like a driving video?
Yeah.
He hesitated. No, I don't trust myself driving your beautiful truck, man. Well, this is a awesome truck. I'm in love with it. I'm so glad you're here, and he represented for F100 World, so I really appreciate that, man. Yep. And his wife, by the way. Shout out. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate this.
Yes, sir.
See you guys.